ist echt schön. Yeah. It's taking a deep breath and just quiet the mind, mute it. There's a bird in the bush. This place is very close to the city, and yeah, yeah. There's elderberries over there. Yeah. Like, oh fuck, elderflower, elderberries are over there, and there is. Let's see what we find. This is a kind of maple-like, or the trees are like. I'm a little bit small. We go to the ground here. It's looking like nettle. Yeah. Nettle. That is plantago. And this is a cap. We go on. Here. This is the blackberry. You can eat. That's edible. Awa. This is like people use for beer brewing. You can eat. This is the small ones. It's very also good for sleeping. This yeah. Delicious. This has to be edible, right? Maple. It's chestnut, sweet chestnut from Italy. And some other tree, I don't know. It's Rubinus, was auch immer. Yeah. It looks like the fiddleheads, but it's something different. I think it's like a worm. There's different thoughts of it. I don't know. It's actually also slightly poison, or it's killing worms sometimes. I don't know. This is a plant from Asia. It's now growing here. This plant has this yellow juice here on it. Here, look. Is it coming outside? The one here. It's coming outside here. Yellow juice. Oh, we have here some more plants. This is damn good chickweed. Chickweed, but it's growing where the dog's living, but it's delicious like hell. I don't want to swallow it because I'm very aware of. I'm frightened of dogs, and I let go of all I have inside me, and it just falls out of my mouth. I don't know. This plant, I don't know now what it is. It looks like this. Hmm. Yeah. Mm. Psst. Ja, ja, das ist echt schön, ja. It's really quiet and it's, it's a relief. And they're nice to listen to birds and breathe in and breathe in and breathe out. Yeah. I mean, you know, like how long it takes to have a big tree. I mean, it's yeah. This camera is kind of crap, and let's see if it's a good yeah. Yeah. Like even if you would be over there, you would be very. Actually, it's quite far. It seems to be far to walk till the end, especially if you walk straight to the city and all the distraction from people and rushing to their jobs coming and you want to walk to the hill in the back, really the one really far, the really the last small one. It's already, yeah, it's not possible. Oh, or it's possible probably, but it's a lot of distraction. You have to really go into yourself, or maybe you have the strength and core integrity in yourself, and you really know what you want. If you go there, but maybe all the noise and the cars, they make you fear and like trauma and trigger old trauma, the old pain and suffering. Maybe don't. We need water, and that would be a challenge anyhow. Maybe it's good. Otherwise, you may be hurt and have injuries. It's like this is life. Maybe there's a lot of forest workers, and you just only have noise the whole time, and people. Yeah. Yeah. So maybe it's nice now. It's really nice. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay on your feet. Feel the heaviness. Feel the weakness in the knees. You know, like the joints, the knees and the joints, and relax. Sound a bit. Dee da da dee. Make some sound and like let your spirit take over to fold up. Mm. Yeah. The question is who I am and who do I promote myself towards other people. You know, like if I meet someone and they, oh, what are you doing? Oh, I'm doing that. I'm going to this job. I have a job. I'm going welfare. Blah, blah, blah. It's maybe just who I am. You know, like I'm sitting in a forest and taking a deep breath. You know, I'm looking for the best ripe fruit possible and to enjoy it. You know, I enjoy colors of fruit. I'm I'm painting a picture, and really, I love every movement and every point with the colors. It's like expression and some distraction. Huh? Distraction, attraction. Abstraction and distraction. It's like focus in life, focus on the goals, or to distract. I thought to be distraction, to be everywhere, to be sprinkled over life. But we only have one body, so if we distract, we only have one body. We are losing our talents on the way, and maybe we suffer. So we need both, like the distraction, the diversity in ourselves and in life, and also the focus and the integrity and self-love. To love ourselves and accept how we are. I'm native German, and maybe I'm also with unknown heritage. I don't know, maybe I'm from somewhere, I don't know really, but I'm grown up in Germany. And traveled to some places, England, Germany, and have been in England. And yeah, mostly, and I stayed in Europe and Scandinavia. And France, Switzerland, somewhere. And yeah, it's wonderful to have this gift in life, to get this blessing and to be alive and to see all this beautiful world. And this just this simple thing like breathe in very consciously, very aware of there's something touching the skin inside the nose. There's the thin lining. It's touched by air passing by to the lungs. I breathe in, we breathe in, and the air touches the lining in the nose and passes through the head, in the throat. That was some noise. Actually, I get fear and shyness, and what is it? Like, it's really primal feelings to have this. We're in the forest, and who is there? Who is behind the tree? Be I'm still be I am? Be I'm me? Or is someone want to be me now and take me to him? It's just borders, and all this fear and drama in life, and also in the primal world, in the wild world. Like when a little bird is looking, is there food? Where's my mama? Where's my mom? Where's my mama? Where's my dad? Oh, where's food? Oh, do I have a shady place? I'm sorry for the shaking, but yeah, what's up? I slept in this night in the garden, and it was so beautiful. I had so much power. And yesterday they was sold out because one organic store was moving, so they sold all the fruits and vegetables for half price, and it was great. It was so lovely. I talked to so much people, and I had so much eye contact. I really loved it. And then I had in the evening another talk with a lady from Belgium who is in Spain right now, and it was really triggering my own strength and my integrity, and I'm really honoring and thankful for this talk. And I'm also thankful for every bird and every language that comes up. Yeah, there's so much love and so much gifts, and so much thankfulness and fulfillment in this life. And actually, it's every moment is joy, but it's only words. For them, oh, this is only words. I feel more sadness. I feel anger. I feel aggression.